Have you ever questioned the possibility of creating a sales promo flyer with just your smartphone? If your answer is yes, then this video tutorial is going to show you how to create a sales promo flyer like this with just your smartphone. So let's get started. Before we proceed, my name is Christian Soprochukwu, and in this video tutorial I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how to create this flyer. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is we are going to go to default, delete. So these are default this is how this is the default template when you want to work with Pixellab. Remember, I made a video on how to download this type of Pixellab, this version of Pixellab, and I know that there are different versions of Pixellab. We have the ultra version, we have the normal version, and this is the Pixellab DG. So we have different versions of Pixellab, but I will recommend you download this version of Pixellab. I already made a video tutorial on how to do this, on how to install this version of Pixellab. So do how to watch the video and make sure you download this. Do how to watch the video and make sure you install this version of Pixellab. Alright, so let's proceed. So next thing we are going to do is to delete the default text. And to delete the default text, we'll come to this delete icon over here. We'll click on delete and we'll delete it. The next thing we are going to do is to select our image size. Is to choose our image size. So to choose our image size, you come up here, come to these three dots over here, you click on it, then you click on image size. Once you click on it, you input your image size. We are working with 1080 by 1350. That's the size we are going to working with. So click on OK. So this is our size. Then the next thing you are going to do is to select a background color. So to select a background color, you come to these two squares that are lapping each other, that overlapping each other. You come here, you click on color, so we already have a color. This is the color, but I'll show you how I got the color. So this is how we got it. To already have a color code, you understand. So what we do is that you come to this plus icon here, you click on plus. Once you click on it, you come to this pen tool, this pen icon over here, you click on it, then you input your color code. Our color code is FFF triple F 1F1 1F1. Then you click on this good icon, very important, you click on this good icon to activate it. Once you've clicked on it, you click on OK, and click on good. So that's our background color. So the next thing we are going to do now is to import our model. So let's go ahead to import the model. So to import the model, you come to this plus icon up here. Look, this plus icon up here, you come here, you click on from gallery. So okay, from gallery, then you click on these three dots over here, click on it, browse, then you go to the folder where your image is saved. So this image I want to import now is saved in photo room, so it's saved in photo room folder. So we'll go there, let's go, please hold on. Yeah, this is it. So this is it. Then we'll crop the parts that are not necessary. Bring it. You can increase the size. You can increase the size using these points here. Please don't use these points or these points to stretch a model or an image. You can use it for a shape, you can use it for some elements, but don't use it on an image, especially a pictorial, like let's say a pictorial image, especially an image of somebody. Or don't, there are terms and conditions to use applied when you want to use this. You can use it for a shape, a right angle, a square, a triangle, but don't use it for an image. So we've already altered the size of this, this image, so let's reselect it. So we increase the size, we position it here. Yes, position it here. Then next thing we do is to lock it. So this, come to these 3 dots over here. Before then, let's bring this thing down a bit. I think this is okay here. The next thing, come to this thing that looks like a graduation cap. This is the layer panel. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you lock the image. You lock the image, so the image don't move around, so it don't get activated when you don't want to activate it. Remember, if you want to activate an element, just click on the element. If it's a text, a shape, or anything, just click on it and it will be activated. But once you've locked it up in the layer panel, you will not be able to activate it unless you unlock it from here. So let's proceed. So next thing we are going to do now is to import our shape. So let's come to this shape. Remember, we are still in this okay, we can get our shape from here. When you click on this third icon, 1 2 3, this third icon here, once you click on it, you come to shape. You can import your shape from here, but let's import our shape from here. You see this plus icon up here, look up here, see here. So we click on the plus icon, click on shapes. Then the next thing we do is work on the size, make sure it's this, then increase it. So after we are done with this, we are going to change the color, because this is not the color we are going to use. So we'll come over here, we'll scroll up to fill color. You see it here, fill color. You come here, you select the color. This is the color we are going to be working with. This is the color we are working with. So remember I've showed you guys how to work with the color code. So the color code for this color is 57392F. 57392F. So once you just come to this once you click on this plus icon, you come to this pen tool, this pen icon or pencil icon over here. You click on it, then you import your color code, you input your color code. So this is it. You click on F, you click on good. Very important, that good is very important to activate it. Once you've clicked on the good, the next thing you do is click on OK, click on good. So now the next thing we'll do, we'll go to rotate, make it -4. So you bring it down, keep it here. So this is it. Next we are going to do is to come here and lock it, so we don't move it unnecessarily. So now what's the next thing we'll do? The next thing we are going to do now is to import another shape. This time around, let's import the shape from here. You can import from here, you can import from here. So we need to import a shape. Now this time I want to bring in the sub images. But before that, so what we'll do is we bring in our shape, reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. I think this is okay. Is this too much? Then we want the edges to be curved. You look at this image now, you will see that the edges are not curved. You understand? The edges are sharp. So we are going to make the edges, we are going to curve the edges. You understand? So we use the radius option to curve the edges. So we increase it to 15. So let's increase it to 15. So after we've done that, click on good. So our image, our shape is set. The next thing we are going to do again is to come to stroke, is to look for stroke. Remember, make sure that the element is activated and you are at the right toolbox. When it comes to Pixellab, there are different toolbox for different that contains different tools. I don't know if you understand. For instance, someone is a carpenter, is an electrician, and also a plumber. You get? So a carpenter The tools you use for carpentry is different from the tools you will use for your electrical works, and the tools you use for electrical works is also different from the tools you will use for your plumbing work. So you have, let me say, you have a box that contains these different tools. So as a carpenter, you have a box that contains your carpentry tools, you have a box that contains your electrical tools, you have, as a plumber, you have a box that contains your plumbing tools. You understand? So that is how it is with Pixellab. So this first option here, these are the two boxes, the different toolbox. So this first option here is for templates. You understand? Different templates, anything regarding templates. This first one here, if you are just using Pixellab for the first time, you won't see this option. This option comes in once you've saved a project, once you've worked on a design and you save it as project. So it would come here. So this is it. Let me click on, these are the designs I've worked on and they are saved as projects. You understand? So the next thing is the default templates. This is the default template. These are different templates to work with. Then the second one is the text. Hope you are following. The second one is the text toolbox. This toolbox contains anything regarding text, all the tools you need to work on a text. This is it. So once you click on it, the two options pops up here, the text and quotes. Delete this first. The text and quotes. This one is if you want to import a quote, they are already inbuilt quotes. You can just copy and make use of. Then if you click on text, you bring in a text. You can edit it. We'll still work on the text. Let's say the text you are going to be working with is Ember. Ember sales promo. But for now, let me just show us something. Click on OK. So once you've brought in your text, so you see now that everything here now, different options under this A are ready for us to use them to work on this text. You understand? But once you deactivate this text, you see the A has gone back to normal. It has gone back to just text and quotes. But once you activate it and your A option is activated, your text toolbox is opened, you see that everything is ready to be used. Hope you understand that. Same thing applies to the next one. The next one is this P here is for different objects, different other elements like shape, image, stickers and stuff like that. You understand? So this option here is the toolbox for anything regarding shape, images, anything. So like this first one is for stickers. If you want to import stickers, maybe you want to work with stickers and stuff like that, emoji and stuff like that. Then this second one is to import an image from your gallery. If you want to import an image from your photo gallery, from your phone gallery, anything, you come to import. Then this one is if you want to draw anything. If you want to draw, you make use of it. Then the next one is shape. If you want to import a shape, you make use of it. We have different shapes. That's it. Let's cancel it. We don't need it. Then this one is for Blazor, the Blazor tool. This one is for it's more advanced. It's more advanced and it's not part of our curriculum, but we'll still get there. So that's not, we'll get there later. Then the next thing is our arrow tool. We have different options regarding this, but so I just want to show us the different tools, the different toolbox and how we can make use of them. Then the fourth one here is anything concerning the background, anything regarding the background. If you want to set your background color, you come here. If you want to make it transparent, this is it. If you want to image size, you can choose your image size from here. You can crop, but it's not activated because here we are using a background color, we are not using an image. But if you're using an image, the option to crop the image will be activated. So likewise, image, you can use the image an inbuilt image that came with the application as your background. You can select image from the background to use as, you can select image from your phone gallery to use as background. So on camera, you can take a photo shoot what you want to use as the background. So depends on what you want to do, but for the purpose of this training, let's continue. So now this is our shape. So let's bring it here. So I want to duplicate it. So okay, next I was talking about stroke. So activate the stroke. So now what I was saying is, since if you want to work on this shape, the first thing you will do is to activate it by clicking on it. You click on it first. After you've clicked on it, make sure you are in the option. Make sure you are in the toolbox for shapes. You understand? If you click on it and you are here, you cannot effect any change. If you click on it and you're on the text toolbox, you cannot effect any change. But when you click on it, make sure you're on the you're on the object toolbox. So you click on it, then there are different options to edit, to delete, crop, copy, and stuff like that. So you look for stroke. So this is our stroke option. This is it. You click on it, activate it. For this stroke, we would use the background color, which is light pink. It's not that pink, or light brown, or off-white. Let's say it's off-white. Yeah, we'll use it. Then we'll increase the size to 3, make the stroke width to be 3. We'll click on good. So once we are done with that, we'll keep it here. Next thing we are going to do is to import more, is to duplicate it, is to copy it, because we want 4 of these shapes. So let's duplicate it. We'll come here, we'll come to copy. We'll copy it, bring it here, copy the next one, bring it here. I think the size is too much. Let's delete it and reduce the size. Let's reduce the size a bit. Yeah, so now let's copy it. This one is not looking kind of too small. Yeah, this, copy it, bring it here. Yeah, this is okay. Copy the next one, bring it here, copy the next one, bring it here. Is to bring in the image. So let's go. First thing, you click on the particular image. You come to make sure that the toolbox for that image, the toolbox for that element is activated. If it's a text, make sure that the toolbox for text is activated. If it's an image, shape, any objects, make sure the toolbox for object is activated. Then you look for texture. You come to texture. This is texture. You click on it, then click on this image icon here, or that photo icon or gallery icon. You come here, you click on this double dots. Now this particular image I want to select now is located in my pins folder. So I'm in my pins folder. Let me look for the image. Let me go get the image. So this is it, 1 2 3 4. So this is the 4 images, so importing them one after the other. So click on the first one. Now since we've clicked on it, remember this image is working alongside a square shape. It's working alongside with a shape. So the shape is a square, so we need to make sure that this image is in the square size. You understand? So we are going to click on this square, this ratio, 1:1 ratio here. We'll click on it. Once we click on it, we'll adjust it, then we'll click on good. You see it. Next thing we are going to do the same for other images as well, for other shapes rather as well. So this is it. Next thing we are going to do is to make sure that they are well aligned. Make sure that they are well aligned. So this is it. The next thing we are going to do is to import a shape. Let's import a shape. This shape, we are going to use it to highlight what they sell, you understand. Then what do we do now? We increase the radius to 15. Then choose the first color, that is the color we use as our background color, like the background shape. That's the color we select, as this first color. Click on it, then click on good. Then next thing we are going to do is to come to shadow. This is shadow. Click on shadow, click on enable it. Come to offset X, make it 5. Then offset Y, make it 7. Once you are done with that, click on OK. Then this is it. The next we are going to do is to import another shape. Let's bring in another shape. This is it. Let's make the radius, let's take the radius to 15. Then the color, let's use our background color, pink or off-white rather. Then make sure it's aligned. Bring it down. Yeah, this is it. Bring this one down a bit. Now, what's the next thing we're going to do now? Let's bring in our text, Ember Sales Promo. So let's go. We come to the text toolbox, which is this A icon here. We click on text, then click on edit. Right, let's type in our text, Ember. Click on OK. Bring it, move it here, increase the size. Then let's work on the font. The font we are working with is Glow Better. This is it. Click on Glow Better. Click on OK. Increase the size. Before that, let's increase the color. Let's change the color to this. Remember how we got this color? The color we picked from the image when we started earlier. So then increase the size to 115. 115. So this is it. Next thing, we copy it. First of all, let's make sure it is aligned. Let's take it up. Make sure it is aligned. Then the next thing you do is to copy it, bring it here. Then you change the text, change what is written there, sales. Yeah, copy it, bring it here. Ember Sales Promo. Then for the promo, we'll reduce the size to 91. Yeah, to 91. Then let's reduce it. Yeah, so this is it. So what's the next thing we are going to do now? We are going to get the subtext. So I already have it written down. Hope it's still here. Oh, it's no longer here. So get 10% discount. Discount on any purchase you make this season. Full stop. Yeah. So let's reduce the size. Reduce the size to 18. Then go to fonts. Sora semi-bold. That's the font we are using, Sora semi-bold. Come here, click on it, change the color to black. This is it. Then the next thing we are going to do is to bring in text, the type of wigs they sell, change the color to white, Then you come back to font, change the font to Sora Light, not semi bold this time around, Sora Light. Yeah, then you come to line spacing, increase the line spacing to 10. You get, then you take it up. Yeah, so this is it. We are done with this. So next thing we are going to do now is to copy this text again. Copy it, bring it here. Available weeks are capital letter. You can change the color to white. Reduce the size to 15. So this is it. Then the next thing we are going to do now is to bring in the brand name. The name of the brand, copy this. The name of the brand is vellorahair.com. All caps, Velora hair, no spacing, .com. This is the brand name. This is how the brand name is, Velora then space hair.com. So we'll place it here. This is where we'll place it. Let's reduce the size to 15. Let's bring it to this place. Then let's make sure it is aligned. So that is it. Next thing we are going to do now is to bring in our venue. Let's still copy this. Bring it here. Our venue, number 45 Aba Road, GRA Phase 2, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. So bring it here, place it here. So that is that for now. The next thing to do now is to bring in the venue icon. So for this type of Pixellab, to bring in the venue icon is very easy, because this version of Pixellab comes with a lot of icons. It comes with free icons. So just come to this option, this object toolbox, come to stickers, come to this second, click on this second option here. Then you see a lot of icons, WhatsApp icon, venue icon, a lot of them, social media icons, lots of them for free. You don't need to download them. That's why I prefer. That's another reason why I'll recommend this version of Pixellab. So let's continue. So we'll choose this one, choose this venue icon, bring it down, reduce the size, then use the position to position it perfectly well. Yeah, so this is it. Then the final thing we are going to do is to bring in our call to action. Let's do this. Let's increase the radius to 15. Yeah, let's increase it to 15. Then the color, let's use this color. I think that 15 is too much. Let's make it 10. Yeah, 10. Then bring it here. Make sure it's aligned with this. Make sure the both of them are aligned. Then the next thing you do is you copy this. Bring it here, change the color. So now I want to bring in the website where you can go. This is for those that want to order. You want to order for your wig. just go to the website www.ordernow in caps, in all caps, order now, semicolon, then small letter www.velorahair.com. It should be .com. So let's lock this man. Don't see road. So place it carefully. So this is it. So at this junction, we are done with this design. So after we are done with it, cross your I's and dot your T's. Make sure everything is aligned. Look at the design very well. Make sure everything is aligned. Everything is well placed. So let's bring this thing down a bit. So there will be space between the brand name and the headline. Yeah, so it's better this way. So cross your I's, dot your T's, make sure everything are well aligned. So these are flyer. We've created an awesome flyer, an attention grabbing flyer that once people look at it, they are convinced to make a purchase. If you're a business owner, this is a plus for you. You don't need to think too much on how to design a flyer for your business. And if you're not a business owner, this is a plus for you, because with just this skill, you can design for as many business owners around you and earn money from it. So do well to, okay, after you're done designing, next thing you do is to save your work. You come to this icon over here, click on save as image. Save as image. So you come here, come to dimensions, click on this drop down menu and select ultra, then you save. So this is the outcome of the flyer. This is what we've designed. Wow, this thing fine, no? So thank you for staying through. Thank you for following through to this point. Do well to follow me across all my social media platforms. My name is Christian Sopuruchukwu, and I share tips on how to stand out as a graphic designer. So do well to follow me across all my social media platforms. My name is Christian Sopuruchukwu, both on LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Thread, that is on X, formerly known as Twitter, and other social media platforms. So thank you for staying through. In case you have any question, you need clarification on anything, do well to send me a DM and I'll respond to you. So thank you. See you in the next video.